Have you ever felt like your brain speaks better English than your mouth? Like, inside your head, you sound like a fluent speaker. But when you try to talk in real life, everything just falls apart. Your brain, I need to express myself clearly. Your mouth, ugh, me talk, good. Maybe
Welcome to Talk Like Us, where you speak smart and think sharp.
you're not alone. This happens to millions of people learning English. This happens to millions of people learning English. And today, we're going to talk about why this happens and how you can fix it. Let's start with something important. Understanding English and speaking English are two different skills. Think about it like this. You might understand how to play cricket just by watching it on TV. But does that mean you can play it professionally without practice? Of course not. Just like that, your brain might understand English because you've heard it in videos, songs, and movies. But your mouth, your tongue, your speaking muscles, they haven't had enough practice. It's like your brain is ready to go, but your mouth is still buffering like slow internet. Another reason? Fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of people laughing. Fear of sounding stupid. But here's the truth. Nobody becomes fluent without making mistakes. Even native English speakers mess up sometimes. You're already doing something right. You're thinking in English. That's a huge step. But here's where many learners go wrong. They only consume English, they read, watch, and listen, but they never speak out loud. Let me ask you, when was the last time you spoke English for 10 minutes straight? If your answer is, never, then how can your speaking improve? Fluency isn't built by knowing words. It's built by using them again and again. Think of your mouth like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So, what can you do? Here are 3 simple ways to make your brain and your mouth work as a team. 1. Speak aloud every day. Stand in front of a mirror and talk for 5 minutes. Any topic. No script. Just talk. 2. Repeat what you hear. Watch English shows or YouTube videos. Pause. Repeat the sentence out loud, just like shadowing. 3. Record yourself. Yes, it feels weird, but it works. You'll hear your mistakes and also your improvement. Bonus tip: talk to yourself. Seriously. Say your thoughts in English while walking, cooking, or looking in a mirror. You don't need a partner. Your voice is your practice tool. Look, it's okay if your English isn't perfect. It's okay if your mouth struggles a little. The fact that you're trying already makes you better than most people. You're not bad at English. You're just not fluent yet. Fluency isn't magic. It's habit. So from today, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Speak. Stumble. Smile. Repeat. Because every time you open your mouth, you're one step closer to fluency. Now go ahead. Say it with me. My brain and my mouth are learning together. Follow for more English-speaking tips. And remember, speak more, fear less.
Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Talk like us.